So I was thinking about this yesterday. Most founders think growth comes from working harder. I don't think that's true. I think growth comes from seeing a business differently. Because eventually, every successful company starts following the same principle: leverage, trust, systems, certainty. None of them feels exciting, but all of them compounds, right? So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly 10 ideas that change the way I think about business, right? Trust. Trust is not built when someone buys. Trust is built before they buy. Every conversation, successful conversation your business creates becomes an evidence. Every delayed reply, every missed follow up, every confusing page becomes an evidence. Your customer starts to collect the data and then they make the decision based on that data, right? Certainty. Certainty is probably the most valuable thing you can sell, right? Because uncertainty creates hesitation and hesitation delays action, right? The best businesses remove uncertainty at every single step. Clear process, clear outcome, clear offer. Everything is crystal clear, right? Clarity creates confidence, and confidence creates decision. Simple. Most founders wants to stand out, and I think that's the wrong objective. You don't need attention, you need association. When someone has your problem, your name should appear before they even search, right? That's positioning, not branding, not fancy logos, not colors. It's mental availability. Leverage. You cannot scale efforts forever, right? Eventually, time runs out. The best businesses that keep growing has replaced efforts with leverage. Systems, automations, assets, media, softwares that keeps working after you stop. And that's where scale begins. Perception. People don't buy what something is. They buy what they believe it is, right? That's why presentation matters, design matters, speed matters, language matters, because perception changes the value entirely before the reality ever gets tested. Time. See, attention has an expiry date. Every lead is slowly cooling off. Every delay reduces momentum, right? Most businesses don't lose leads because of their price. They lose them because the time passed. That's it. Simple. Speed is one of the biggest competitive advantage that is left. Systems. People create output, systems create consistency, and consistency creates scale. Every manual task inside your business becomes a future friction. The bigger your business gets, the more expensive that friction gets, right? Great businesses, they are not built on people. They are built on repeatability. Decision making. The quality of your life depends on the quality of your decisions, right? That same applies to businesses. Most founders delay decisions, waiting for certainty. But certainty usually appears after taking action, not before it. Brand gravity. The strongest brands don't chase customers. The customer moves towards them, right? Because ideas spread, reputation spreads, trust spreads. Eventually, your brand starts selling before you arrive. And that's one of the highest form of leverage. Operator mindset. Operators see everything as infrastructure. Whenever something breaks, they don't ask who made the mistake or who failed. They ask what system allowed it. And that's a completely different way of thinking. And businesses built around that becomes incredibly difficult to compete against. If there is one lesson that I have learned from studying great businesses, it's this. Success rarely comes from one giant decision. It comes from hundreds of systems working together to create a greater output. That's what compounds. And that's what most people never notice.